China, often dubbed the Mad Builder, has cemented its global dominance through remarkable achievements in fields like artificial intelligence with the rise of DeepSeek and the world's most advanced high-speed road network. This progress reflects meticulous strategy, long-term vision, and massive investment in infrastructure technology and economic growth. The journey of China's highway development from its humble beginnings to global leadership is a stunning tale of determination and innovation. China's high-speed road network is a hallmark of its extraordinary development. By 2023, it spans over 180,000 kilometers, the longest and most advanced highway system globally, outstripping the U.S. 160,000 kilometers and any other nation in both scale and quality. It includes the world's longest single expressway, the G4 Beijing-Hong Kong-Macau Expressway 285 kilometers, and some of the fastest-built highways, with sections like the Beijing-Shanghai Expressway 1262 kilometers completed in just 3 years. This network connects major cities, industrial hubs, and remote regions, driving economic growth, trade, and tourism. Its success hinges on 3 pillars: strategic government vision, diverse funding, and cutting-edge technology, creating a modern, efficient transportation system. The Chinese government's foresight has been the driving force behind this highway boom. In the 1980s, when highways were a novel concept in China, leaders recognized their role in industrialization and urbanization. Highways were deemed critical to meet the rising demand for car travel and freight transport. Despite challenging terrain and high costs, the government prioritized routes in key economic zones, laying the foundation for a national network. China's highway strategy relies on long-term planning and efficient management. The National Expressway Plan 1988 aimed to link economic hubs, evolving from the 7918 network to the 71118 network, 2013-2030, targeting $118,000 kilometer by 2030. The public-private partnership PPP model has been pivotal, with the government handling planning and policy, while private firms invest and operate toll systems. Incentives since the late 1990s enabled the construction of over $3,000 kilometer annually, fueling rapid expansion. Abundant funding has sustained this breakneck pace. The government allocated trillions of CNY through 5-year plans, including 2.3 trillion CNY $340 billion from 2016-2020. Low-interest loans from the China Development Bank infrastructure bonds 1 trillion CNY in 2021, and PPPs involving giants like China Communications Construction Company ensure financial stability. A network of 3,500 electronic toll collection ETC stations generates hundreds of billions of CNY yearly reinvested into infrastructure. China's highway construction unfolded in 3 distinct phases. The initial phase, 1984-1999, began with the Shanghai-Jiading Expressway 17, 8 kilometers, and Beijing-Tianjin route, establishing the groundwork. The expansion phase, 2000-2010, spurred by China's WTO entry, saw explosive growth with routes like Beijing-Shanghai 1262 kilometers and Shanghai-Kunming 2360 kilometers, averaging $6,000 kilometer a year. Since 2011, China has focused on modernization, integrating AI, IoT, and smart highway trials, aiming for 200,000 kilometers by 2030. China's ascent from ground zero to the world's premier highway network showcases the synergy of vision, resources, and technology. Beyond economic gains, this system connects people, cultures, and opportunities, paving the way for sustainable growth. Through initiatives like the Belt and Road, China continues to reshape global transportation, with its highways boasting the longest spans, fastest construction, and most advanced technology, setting a benchmark for the world.